My name is Raylene Thompson. I'm the author of Delectable Dishes. Delectable Dishes is a collection of recipes from my mother, Lettie Giannoni Foster, who was a great chef. It was written because my dad was a very well-known and honored naval hero in World War II. And my mother, she was a great cook and housewife, entertainer, mother, and she didn't get any kudos or any awards. So this was my way to honor her. I didn't have an interest in cooking until I came back to take care of my parents. My dad says, "You've got to teach her to cook, Lettie. If you don't let her do it, she'll never learn." And here I was over 60 years old, and I did learn. Delectable Dishes has a full range of recipes for everything from beverages to main dishes to desserts. These are recipes from around the world, the various places we live, and also from people that we met. There's a range of recipes in this book from Japan and China, from India, Poland, and so forth. I think there's something for everyone in it. I wanted this to be an easy recipe book. Anyone could pick up the book and make the recipes and have them come out delicious. And it was my special way to honor my mother, to thank her for all that she brought us.